Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can bring up your website for a particular keyword at #1 place or the first place on the search engine, maybe Google, Yahoo, or Bing. See here. For example, this is my website techanswer.com, and for a particular keyword, how to stop export chat from WhatsApp. If someone searches for this particular keyword or the question, see here, the first link is my website. So how did I achieve this? By doing some SEO, search engine optimization. The first thing is, if you observe, yes, I'll tell you the strategy to bring up any web page for the better search results. That may be first position, second position, or even the first page. Slowly you can bring up this website on the search results, and you can choose high search index keywords with low competition. Okay, the first thing is your website should have enough age. This website is 4 years old, so this domain have some domain value, some domain weightage. That is the first reason, means which is helping SEO to bring up this website. The second and very important reason is, all of you may already know this, that content is the king. See here, on the title only I have this keyword, means the question, and not only the keyword, the whole content is concentrating about the same here, and I have a perfect solution. So the first thing, as you see, the domain weightage. The second thing you can consider as content. Write uh, content with original, means nowadays many are developing the content using chat GPT features or AI content, but maximum possibly avoid that and write with human written format. Once you do that, you need to link building for this particular web page, means you need to copy this link, and which will be called as off-page SEO, or promoting this website on other sites. For example, Pinterest is one of the valuable site where you can post a picture. For example, on this particular web page I don't have any picture, but if you have a picture, it is very good idea to promote on Pinterest and on X, previously Twitter, and likewise you can do that. And one more thing, many of the website owners nowadays ignoring is what I'm going to tell. Please do link this particular link, means what you want to get higher better search results. For example, if there is another page on your website which is very closely related to something like export chat from WhatsApp, in that page make sure this, place this as the internal link. Internal link really plays a very huge role, not only for indexing, better indexing, but also for the SEO score. So by doing all these things, you will definitely get better search results on the search engine. And make sure your website loads faster, and make sure, and this point is 100% important, make your content precise. Previously users used to search a long paragraphs and a long text, but nowadays, remember me, if user want to spend good time on your website, come straight to the point and write the valuable information on your website. Means if a user is appearing to your website to solve a question or to fix a technical issue, make sure you have that. Remember me, remember my words, your web page will really do better. Once your website do better, you will day by day you will see this particular website reaching first positions. And you need to submit your site to Google Search Console, where you can monitor your performance and everything. Along with that, try to continuously do the off page optimization, white hat off page optimization, and this will bring